My name is Bogdan and I'm from Brisbane, Australia. I came across your page on Instagram. The algorithm suggested it to me. It was pretty intense trying to, decide whether I should come to Turkey. It's like you said, a long way away. Long couple flights, also like a new country to me. I've never been to Turkey or even Europe before. But yeah, once I got here, got picked up and, I was introduced to you. I think you were the first person I saw at the clinic, and then I saw the place itself and I was becoming a lot less stressed. Everything looks really professional, looks like very high quality. You do a bit of online research and a lot of people will say some things that, may not be true. So you start doubting some decisions, but ultimately you just have to sort of, pull the trigger and see for yourself if you want to. I'm not sure if I started losing my hair at a certain point, but pretty sure ever since I was a kid, I've always had a big forehead. In my maybe mid-20s to late 20s, I've started really noticing the hair up on the top of my forehead starting to really become thin and funny looking, I want to say. Some friends would sort of mention some things and it started getting to me. It was what are my options? And I think I realized that my options are either to shave it all off and just be bald, or I get a hair transplant. And I've never had a really short haircut. I've never been bald in my life, and I wasn't sure what that's going to be like, but I knew that I never really liked, so I kind of settled on the hair transplant option. And that was confirmed once, I got here, and then the first thing that, before the hairline design is you get your hair sort of shaved off. And when I saw myself with a buzz cut, I was like, yep, I'm glad I'm getting the hair transplant. Yeah, the process was very sort of, streamlined. It was very simple, a lot more simple than I thought it would be. I know it varies from clinic to clinic, I think, but I like the way it was done here. It was kind of done naturally, just made it look like it would be as if I never started losing the hair sort of thing. I had some feedback, so some things that they didn't really look symmetric to me, even though with all the measurements it was perfect. And the staff here helped me address it, and they corrected it and made sure that I was happy with what I was getting, and I was no issues after that. Oh, just a big thank you, and yeah, I'm really happy with the service and couldn't have really asked for anything better.